C is for cat, meow 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 meow. D is for dog, bow wow wow. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for frog, hopping around. G is for goose, flying high. A is for apple, up in the sky. B is for bee, buzzing by. Now we know our notes, oh my. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and me. Sing along and you will see, music is as fun as can be. C like a clock, tick tock tick. E like a duck, quack quick quick. E like an egg, white and slick. F like a fish, swim in a flick. G like a goat, up on the hill.